Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these super cute party hats with the pom-poms. I'm going to have the video linked down below to show you how to make these pom-poms that I made the other day with the We Are Memory Keepers pom-pom maker. So this is going to be using just your regular either paper or cardstock packs. So this one right here is super cute. And then you can even see how cute it is if you did like a Mickey Mouse one with the red on top. And but like I said, I will have the video linked down below for this if you want to add these to the top. So we're going to be using the We Are Memory Keepers party hats. And like I said, I'm not sponsored by We Are Memory Keepers. I scored this stuff on the clearance at Hobby Lobby. But this stuff is still for sale. I'll have some links down below because you can still get this at like Amazon, scrapbook.com, Michael's, I believe, stores like that. So if you're interested, you could always get that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the paper pack that I'm going to be using is, I got this from Hobby Lobby because this week the paper pads are 50% off. This is by the Paper Studio and it's called Pink Lemonade. And let me go ahead and show you some of these papers here. They're super adorable. Just kind of like that one. I love that. For party hats, these are really cute. So, and then even, because I'm going to be showing you the pinwheels as well, and I'll be doing a video. I should upload that tomorrow using these same papers. So, that's just a few of what the papers look like, just like that. So, now the one that I'm going to be using today is this one right here. This one right here is from that same paper pack. So, we're going to go ahead. The first step to use this, now you could also use the Template Studio for this, I believe, as well, with the circle die. If you have the circle die, you could also do the same thing. I believe you could probably even do this with your Cricut or Silhouette. I'm sure there's a design on there. What I like to do, so you have your round part of your template like this. So what I like to do, let me move my gun out of the way. What I like to do, all right, so I don't even trim the paper down. I just leave it like this. But I believe it says on here you just need a 9x9 piece of paper. So just so you kind of know, it doesn't have to be a 12x12. I like to shoot mine in this direction because I know that this is going to be, when we fold it, this is going to be the direction. So I can either do it like this, just kind of figuring out which ones that I want in here. So I'm going to do it just like this. So I want my, whatever the image is, I want it pointing in this direction towards this bottom corner here. Hopefully you guys can see this. So towards this bottom corner, and then the bottom of the image towards that way. So you get it just like this, and then according to the instructions, it says to put it on 11. So we get this one right here with the round top on 11. It's the one, because there's A, B, C, and I believe that is A, and then this one is B. We won't be needing that today. And then you have C. All right, so for C, it says to put it at the 3 mark. So you're going to put it at 3 and 3 there. So just like that. So that's how you're going to have it, just like that. All right. So then you're going to take your little score tool and you're going to just trim all the way around like this. And then you're going to come back down towards the bottom and just do that. So this piece right here just pops right into this groove, and then the knife piece comes right on the outside there. And this piece just pulls away. And then you can pop this off, and this piece pulls away. And then you are left with this piece. All right, so then you're left with this piece right here just like that. So let's go ahead and move this guy out of the way. And like I said, I'm pretty sure you can cut this out with your Cricut, your Silhouette, or the Template Studio if you have the circle. All right, I just wanted to show you because sometimes you're looking at for party decor. First of all, this will be a lot cheaper if you already have something like this to buy a paper pack and make whatever colors. Like this paper pack costs $10, but you can use it for tons more stuff, all the decorations. Like you can be making your pinwheels, all of your stuff. So, and then it's, like I said, you could just get way cuter designs. All right, so for the next step, you're gonna turn it just like this, where this piece is up like that. And then what I like to do is I'm gonna actually turn it in this way because that's the way I work. So I try to start down here at the bottom. You barely want just a little piece of the tip here, and then it'll all just kind of fall into place because this is gonna come over just like that. So it's basically just a hair bit, whatever you can get folded over is gonna come here, and then the rest will just basically fall into place. So then what I like to do is I take my tape gun, whatever adhesive you have, if you wanna use like the red line tape, or just whatever adhesive, that's going to be a strong one. You can use your glues, and then you run it down just like that to hold that piece, and then you're going to run it straight down this. I like to get a little extra up here at the top. All right, so then once you have your adhesive on here, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of make a point. So you're going to kind of fold it over just like this. And I'm just kind of paying attention to the bottom there, because you're basically making a point at the top. So I kind of get my bottoms lined up is what I'm doing here. And then kind of get it to work its way up towards the top. Once I get it like that, I'll stick my hand inside. I know you guys can't see like a lot of this. I'm gonna get my hand inside and just rub. You could take your bone folder at this point, and I'm just gonna rub that adhesive down really well. Just like that, okay? So then the next step, so once we have it like this, see how cute that is? I mean, you can't buy stuff like this. That is super adorable. And like I said, this is the Pink Lemonade by Paper Studios, and right now it's 50% off, which they do like every other week, so it's nothing new. And then I'm gonna take my my little pom-poms that we made the other day, and what I did was I added the hot glue directly to the pom-pom. Just like that, got a good amount on there. All right, and then set it down right here in the middle. So just like that, just making sure. Let it kind of sit there for a second. And then that's what it looks like. Look at how cute that is. And you can kind of mess with it a little bit, making sure it's standing straight up. Now another thing is, if you left the strings attached like I was showing you in the video when I was making this, like this, you could always fish the strings down in the hole, and then inside take a piece of tape and hold that string down, and then you won't even have to glue that down. But that's what it looks like. Look at how cute that is. That is so adorable. You could do these for you know, birthday parties, or even Easter, or, you know, summer parties that you have going on, whatever. Just super, super cute. All right, so there's that one. So I'm gonna show you one more time. And I will be doing this again very soon with the Template Studio, because I do want to show you with that. But I just basically wanted to get this out there. All right, so the next paper pad that I'm gonna use is, we're gonna do this one right here, because I thought it was really cute. The next paper pad that I'm using right now is the Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends. And I guess that's all that it's called. I wanted to make sure I give you the right amount. This is $9.99 at Hobby Lobby. So with 50% off, these are only $5. I was truly shocked today when I seen this, because I was like, did they price that right? So if somebody else sees this at their Hobby Lobby and sees that it was different, because I feel like that's wrong, but let me know down below. But I'm going to keep an eye on my Hobby Lobby just to see, because I don't want to tell you guys that and somebody marked that wrong, because something, I don't know, and I could be wrong, because it's 30, let me see if y'all can see that. It's 36 sheets. And these are thicker like cardstock. I mean, they're paper, but they're a little bit more sturdy. So I'll kind of flip through there and show you guys. These would be so cute for the pinwheels and the for the rosettes and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, is they're front and back. I'm kind of trying to get them like this so you can see. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this before, but it's just so cute. Like, these are big pieces like this. I know it's probably upside down. Just trying to get it in there the best way that I can. I love this one. This one's one of my favorites. Like I said, it's probably cricketed and sideways, but just wanted to run through here. Okay, so anyways, like I said, $9.99, and that's half off. That makes it $5. And this is not like anything new. Like I said, they do these sales like every other week for the paper. All right, so with these Mickey Mouse ones, the other ones didn't have that. This one comes with like a strip at the top. So I just kind of line it up in my paper trimmer. And this is just my Cricut one. My favorite paper trimmers is this one and the Fiskars. So I'm just gonna trim that off like that. All right, so the same thing as last time. You wanna make sure that whatever is going to be the top of your hat is pointed towards this end here. I know you guys probably can't see this. Is pointed towards this bottom end here, all right? And then whatever's gonna be the bottom of the hat's gonna go that way. So I'm just gonna figure out whether I want them to be like this or like this. I'm gonna kind of put it in like this. So like you can see, the top of Mickey's heads is this way, all right? So we got it just like that. Let me move my hot glue gun out of the way here. All right, so we got it on here just like this. And then we're gonna go ahead, same thing. It says 11 at 11. I just love this. This is so adorable. Okay, 11 and 11, and then we're going to come down here to the 3 and the 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in there like this. All right, so just like that. All right. So now the next thing that we're gonna do is the same thing. So you're gonna take your little trimmer piece here, you're gonna get it in the track, swing around the whole top, and then you're going to swing around down here. All right, so we're gonna set those aside. Pull this bottom piece off, and then once again, I'm gonna put this back in here. Once again, we're left with this piece here, like this. All right. So what we're gonna do, so see now, this is gonna be like the hat like this, so that way your Mickeys are going downwards like that. See how cute? All right, so once again, same thing. What you're gonna do, and I like to turn mine this way I work. All right, so you're gonna barely get that tip going right down here. Let me kind of zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so you're just gonna make sure that that tip, you're just basically barely getting that tip, and then the rest will fall into place, because it'll know which way to go there. So just like that, that's how much you need. So you're barely getting that tip over the end, and then the rest of it will just kind of fall into place. Once again, apologize for my fingernail polish, because, you know, we've talked about it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, the same thing, I'm gonna run my tape runner down this side just to kind of get this piece stuck down, just like that. All right. And then I'm gonna leave you zoomed in so you can see what I've got going on here. So I'm adding adhesive all the way down. I'm gonna add a little bit more here where it's kind of missing. All right, so then you're just basically making a point here on the hat. So I just kind of try to line my bottoms up like that, okay? So just like that. All right, see? So I've got that top, and I just kind of line my bottoms like that. And then the next thing I'm doing is I'm sticking my finger in here, and I'm gonna run it all the way down where that adhesive is, just so you can make sure that that is really good. You could always take like your little piece here. So this is the, what is this, C? Yeah. And you can take it like a bone folder and stick it all the way up in there. Make sure that creases really well. So that's what that's looking like. Let me zoom y'all back out. All right, so this is what this one looks like. Looks so cute. So we got these two just like that for the Minnie and Mickey theme. All right, so making sure that's all popped out. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take, I made a white one for this top here. So I'm gonna do the same thing and glue it down. So just gonna add a little bit of glue right in here. Just like that. Just enough to kind of grab my sides. Hold it there for just a second. And there we have it. There is the cute Mickey Mouse. So you have Minnie and Mickey, and then you have the Mickey. But look how cute that would be for a for the birthday party. You could do the black pom-pom with this. And then same, you could have done like the white one with these, but these would be so cute. So I think there is, let me check real quick. I think there's 3 of each one. So like say if you did both of these alternating, that would be 6 hats total with these 2 like that. And then you can still use these pieces that are left over to do like your cupcake wrappers, or your little, let me show you really quick. So you could use that to do like your, if you wanted to do your, like your ice cream cones or some of your cups or your cupcake wrappers or anything like that. Or even if you wanted to use it to do like, if you're going to do cotton candy, or if you wanted to use it to do like the little blowhorns and stuff, you could still use these pieces for that. So you would be able to have all that for your decorations. But I thought it was really cute and had to share. So here is all of the hats that we made today. I think they're super cute. Like I said, I just had to share. Now, I wanted to show you the inside of this one. See this one? Look how cute this would be. So this is the one that has the gray. This one would be cute if you did it the same way too. The only thing is, I mean, you've got the little piece of Mickey's ear there, but I think it's still cute like that. So I really like the way that that is too. And then these ones are only one-sided. But these are double-sided, so I think it's cute because the way that they are. And these will be cute if you did these for like the popcorn holders and all that stuff too. But there is the party hats. And like I said, you can use your Template Studio by WRMK Keepers. And I believe you could use your Cricut or your Silhouettes. And I'm sure there's got to be like a free printable to download and print off a template for these. I'll try to see if I can't find something and get it linked down below as well. Just in case anybody doesn't own stuff like this, you could always print that off and have your own template. So I'll look into that and see what I can't find. I was thinking, because you're going to need some way to attach these to the little heads. So what I'm thinking is you can get the elastic You can get the real thin. It's like a string. It's I think it's on a roll. Like, I didn't have any of it here. I thought I did. So it looks like thread, so it's really thin elastic, and I think you can even get that at Walmart, a couple dollars. And what I'm thinking, if you own a Tim Holtz tiny attacher or just a regular staple gun, put some of that right on, put your string, you know, cut it to the length that you need it to, and just staple those right on the inside. I didn't have my stuff ready, but I will have it. That's what I'm going to do to mine. So in case you were wondering. Like I said before, I will have these Pom Pom video linked down below if you haven't seen it before, and it'll probably play at the end of this video. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.